गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Good evening, Honorable Governor Garu and respected guests and dignitaries. Today we are conferring P.V. Narasimha Rao Gari Memorial Award to Kaloji Narayan Rao Garu. Both the dignitaries are considered as the two eyes of the Telangana state. I wish to start from Honorable Governor's views, reviews and my poems, one small poem. From the shores of the boundless ocean, I look up at the boundless sky. Standing in between two illimitable creations, my small mind worries, who and what is mine? This question have arisen Telangana hearts, and the answer is, two illimitable human beings are born in Telangana. One is P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu, and the second is Kaloji Narayan Rao Garu. A great commonality between P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu, Kaloji Garu and our Governor Garu. They are all poets, writers who have love for nature and societal concerns. Coming to Kaloji Garu, Puttuka nadi, chavu nadi, bratukanta desandi. Birth is yours, death is yours, and the life belongs to the country and the nation. Kaloji is a people's poet. September 9th, the Kaloji's birthday is considered as Telangana Bhasha Dinosam, Telangana Language Day. Kaloji Garu was awarded with Padma Vibhushan and P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu, he got awarded with Bharat Ratna. Both are alter egos. In fact, I can tell, one is a mind and the other is a soul. One is a body and the other is a soul. Coming to the Kaloji Garu, he is a poet of Telangana, recognized poet of Telangana. Oka Sira Chukka, Laksha Medalaku Kadalika. One pen writing will move lakhs and lakhs of people. Praja Kavi, people's poet. And he said, Anyaya Nedriste, na Godavaku Samtrupti. Anyaya Mantriste, na Godavaku Mukti Prapti. Anyaya ni Dinchtene, Vade Naku, Aradhya Devudu ani. Ante, we have to fight against injustice. The man who fights against injustice is the God. Should be respectable. This is Kaloji's statement. Honorable Governor Sir, as you wrote, love comes sometimes as a ray of hope on a cloudy day. For our Telangana people, love have been showered in the form of P.V. Garu, Kaloji Garu. Similarly, you have come as a governor to grace and shower your grace on us. Thank you, sir.